On a project this scale, planning the logistics is just as important as the installation itself. For the 5 MW solar PV system at TJ Morris Home Bargains Distribution Centre, we used a series of carefully planned crane lifts to get the equipment safely onto the roof. With multiple roof levels across the site, each lift had to be coordinated precisely to match the different working areas. Down on the ground, panels were delivered in bulk and banded into secure packs, ready for lifting. This reduced manual handling at height and kept everything controlled and organised. Setting up on site is key to a safe and efficient installation. We installed edge protection around the roof perimeter and set out clear working areas to keep everything organised. Inverter locations were prepped with mounting structures in place, while the panel mounting system was installed, creating a solid, safe foundation for the rest of the project. With the site fully set up, we moved on to installing the core equipment. Solar panels were carefully fitted across the mounting system, following a structured layout to maximise performance and keep the installation consistent across the different roof areas. From there, DC cabling was routed from the panels back to the inverter locations, ensuring everything was neatly installed and properly protected throughout. The inverters were then installed and securely mounted onto the prep structures, ready to convert the generated energy for use on site. All wiring across the system was completed in line with the UK electrical and safety standards, ensuring a high quality, compliant installation built to perform long term. Once the installation was complete, we moved on to commissioning the system. This involved full testing, system checks and verifying performance across all components. We ensured everything was operating safely, efficiently and in line with the design before bringing the system online. With everything in place, we carried out the finishing touches across the site. All cabling was neatly dressed, clipped and secured, with trunking and containment fully tidied and clearly labelled around the inverted areas. We made sure the site was left clean, safe, organised, ready for smooth client handover and long-term operation. This system will deliver real impact on site, generating 4.16 GWh of clean energy each year. With over 10,000 panels installed, it will offset around 805 tonnes of CO2 annually while supporting long-term on-site energy demands.